We'll guide you through how to understand the ChatGPT image limit. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. Now, navigate to the settings by clicking on your profile icon located at the lower left corner of the page. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Image Processing. This is where you can find detailed information about the image limits for ChatGPT. The current image limit is set to ensure optimal performance and responsiveness. Generally, the system allows a certain number of images to be processed per session, and this number can vary depending on the subscription plan you are on. If you're on a free plan, the limit will be lower compared to those on a premium plan. It's important to note that the image limit is also influenced by the image size and complexity, so larger or more detailed images might count more towards the limit. If you frequently work with images, consider optimizing them by reducing their file size or simplifying the content before uploading. This can help you make the most out of your image limit. If you ever hit the limit, you might have to wait for a session reset or upgrade your plan for increased capacity. Understanding these limits will help you better manage your interactions with ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.